balance is strong enough to blow through.
Morning. Let's get a mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. Mic check. Mic. Yep. Good morning, everyone. It's a guten Morgen. I got my care package from Mr. Zach. I have noticed that I just go to create. Elijah, I just go to create it live. It live. It live. It live. Got some poker chips. To steady the left hand. Let's go. Looking at the daily. I got nothing. Sideways. Sideways wide range, right? Is that what it's going to do? Want to play poker? Morning. Turn the hearing aid up, Nick. Hearing aid arriba. Hearing aid arriba. Okay. Very, very obvious. What do we see with red and blue on the 4-hour chart? At work or not at work? Yes. We are narrow range, so we're going to turn the Keltner channels on. One day I'll find the perfect position for my screens. Until then, I will never be satisfied. I see sideways. And what is red and blue doing? Anyone answer that? Because here's the deal. Here's the deal. I am going to take what red and blue are doing on this chart right here over anything else at this time. So copy. Wow, look at 63, 39, 75 on your 30-second chart. Clean. Okay. I had to draw some lines. All right. Here's the 4 hour. So what I see is that they have to the sellers have to prove below 58. Right on the daily chart, we are position none. Right, we're above the 200, but we're not. We're the eight and the 8 EMA and the 20 are the same price. So it's a hurry up and wait. There's a 10-year note auction results at 1:01 p.m. That's it. I'm all in. Psych. I got ships still. I don't know how to get the image off of there. I don't even know. There's no news today. No, there's just a 1:01 p.m. Dip under 33. Oh, golden French fry. $37 is the entry. I really just miss it? I really. 39, 25, 41, 50. I made the mistake of not executing, and now I'm going to pay the price. This was supposed to be my trade. 925 first target, 4150 second target, 4150 final target. I might go take a walk. I wasn't supposed to miss this trade. This was the trade. Looks like they're trying to hold 40. It's a good luck to you. All right, everybody, let's go ahead and let's prepare for my favorite time of the morning here. Let's see if we can get this to the right scene here. Oh yeah, let's see. Let's see if we're gonna get it here. Oh, close. Give me 1 second here. We're working on it, folks. Yo! All right, everybody. All right, cheers. Cheers to the process. Cheers to following, doing what you need to do, following the process, honoring your stops, and cheers to pops, everybody. Cheers. It's gonna be a cheers. Morning, everyone. Team Green, spam it. I'm looking for 4150, 4250, 4375, and 4575, 46. I missed the 37 golden French fry. It was perf. Look at it. Sweet mercy. Stood there like a deer in headlights playing grab ass, right? There's your you would have already be at first target. Whoa, there's a big uh error button thing on the stream deck, Elijah, for when I hit the full screen button. That is crazy. Yeah, 4 hour. Yes. See. Aha. Yes. Yes. With Snaky Poo, Mr. Joey. Well, I think we got to worry about is the upper Keltner. $41 Mancini. Let's get it there, and then we'll decide what we're gonna do. 33, 41, 52, 61. Let's go. Good, good, good. Yeah, going for 42.25.
Should this shit not be taught in 5th grade? Right?
4575 is 2R.
Say again, Jeff?
It should be taught in the womb, the baby's womb. I mean, the mother should read this to the baby when she's pregnant.
That goes back to the conversation we were having yesterday about China. China probably taught this to the kids at like 1st grade, 2nd grade.
I'm not using anything other than what we were doing. Yeah, I'm just listening through the head jack. So on Streamlabs, you don't have to do anything. I'm still using this, the microphone. Yeah, morning. It's a. I don't want to do it on stream because it'll look like it'll look weird. Boys, we got buy signal after buy signal after buy signal after a failed sell signal. Let's go. Golden French fry at 37. Crush it. 46 coming. There's no freaking way it gets there. Here, Rosewater. Rose, water. Rose, water. Rose. Yes, Joey. Own your face. Oh, it would be Real Tech. Um, what is the other one? Not headphones, speaker audio. Yeah, it should be that one for the guys. Chat, do you hear Zach talking about Rosewater? Upper Keltner, you guys should be out. Do, 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 do. It still smells like that. Woo! Did you guys hear the poker chips? Or is AI cutting it out? Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, they are sharp on the edges. I got some working to do to work these in here. Yeah, they're nice and clean. Let's go. Yeah. I'm starting with 10. I'll work my way up. Usually I can do 20, no problem. But yeah, it allows me because I'm left-handed, right? And your mouse is in your right hand. So what do we need to do to occupy the brain to keep it from pushing the mouse? Get poker chips. Now remember, you have to have something soft underneath them, otherwise you can't really do it. So I have a mouse pad. Na 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 na. Ooh.
Yeah, I can't play live poker. I don't play well with others.
Fall asleep.
Last time I played live poker was at Sunset Station. The guy next tried to trying to shuffle his chips, and he was no good at it. And so at one point, the room was as quiet as can be, too. And I just said to him, I go, "You're really not good at that. You should practice at home."
Here's why I get bored with poker, because I can read tape on the S&P 500 E-mini futures, and so all of the guys out there acting like professionals sitting there at the poker tables just remind me of all the weak traders.
Yeah.
And it's just I'm not trying to sit there with them, right? Like, and I don't mean any disrespect to anyone. Like, I'm not trying to sit there with them. Like, it puts me to sleep, dude.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not trying to brag about my poker skills. I'm really fucking probably C plus at best. But you go to some of these local casinos here in Vegas, you got some real horrific players,
Oh,
and they just come in there like that. They just got done watching 20 48-hour bender on a World Series of Poker rerun, and they come in thinking they're Phil Hellmuth. And the last time I was at Sunset Station, I just this guy, it was obvious. I read him like a book, and so I was re-raising him. Then I went all in on him, and I think he brought his mortgage money with him because you know I busted him out, and he stood up and he was pissed. He threw his head on the ground. He goes, "I will be in the parking lot. I'll wait all night." Great, this is awesome.
you called it. Let's go. I believe. Let's see, Cam, and I believe no, Cam's not here yet. Yeah, we got Joey, G-Man, and Zach along with me. Let's go.
Yo.
What's happening, boys? All right, Upper Keltner to the bink to the tick. Let's go. I got out at 42.25. We roll.
So my Vegas experience is that it's not a gentleman's game.
People just like in the market are playing with money they can't afford to lose.
Yeah, the problem there is that you don't see the person on the other side of the zero sum game that you're playing.
Correct.
It's not obvious to you in online trading. Whereas, I mean, that's why you hear the same stories back in the pits. They used to go outside and fight. There's a place in Chicago. I forget what they called it. I saw it in a documentary, but it was like in the middle of the trading day, someone would yell out, "I'm meeting you by the bull," or whatever, but it's not the bull, but like, it's, we're going to the bull. Like, damn right we are. And they're rolling up their sleeves and going out there getting into a fist fight. That's the problem with online trading, that you get desensitized to actually what a battle it is.
I was listening to this thing that makes a lot of sense. It says if you stop thinking about it as a battle, and stop and remove the conflict and find the flow.
Right.
Now, I'm not saying it correctly, right? But it makes a lot more sense where you don't have to struggle between each move. It's just the next chess move.
It's an overused metaphor, but it's like Neo in the Matrix. You got to get that. You have to develop a morning practice. And I'm not talking about like hot and cold or anything like that, but like you don't have to dip yourself in a lake in the middle of winter, but like you got to develop some sort of morning routine where you have a high likelihood of looking at the chart and just entering into this, like, it's almost like a semi-lucid state where it's just like everything slows down. You see it. It's the same thing a good baseball hitter will do when they dig into the plate, and you listen to Barry Bonds, he's like, or any of these great hitters, Pete Rose, they're like, yeah, I see the laces. I know whether cutter or curve or fastball. I see the laces, and yeah, I'm gonna hit it over the fence. That's what I do.
Wink. No.
That's
They,
me.
and they talk they talk about it like it's nothing.
That's me when I trade.
You listen to me.
You got it. Again, it's an overused metaphor with the Matrix, but you have to get to that place where. And I'm still working on it. I'm not that good at it.
Well, here's what we know. Here now, Joey. See, his real name is Neo, right? Joey Neo Jones. Okay. He found the Matrix, ladies and gentlemen. Have you guys not figured this out yet? I can't. I can't show it any clearer. There's the matrix right freaking there. So how do we use the matrix in context with the market? Ah, perfect. Perfect.
Hey, me, him and his money.
Him and his money.
Did you ever see that Matt Damon interview where he said Malkovich told me, he's like, I'm really not a good actor.
I think, let me be clear, like, okay, Rounders, love the movie, thought it was cheesy as hell. I thought Malkovich was terrible.
Yeah, he really was.
I'm not, I like, look, okay, I get it. Terrible. Terrible.
One of my best friends up in Park City was a Russian, from Russia,
Hmm.
and we watched that movie together. And he just
Terrible.
said, I can't watch this, man. It's terrible.
The accent, he did not roll the R's correctly. It was soft. It was
There, there,
terrible.
there, there's no reason for him to be KGB. He could have been fucking Nick from Brooklyn.
Yeah.
Like he could have been just a Brooklyn badass or something.
And I mean, did he create the character, or is that how they wanted him to be? I mean, like, like, I don't know.
I can understand the need for wanting Malkovich. I love him. He's awesome. But man, in that role,
I mean, in that movie, that's what I mean. I love Malkovich and all the other movies. Love him. Love him. Love him.
in that role, man, he sucked the turd. He was horrible.
Sucked the turd. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a technical term.
He straight up told Matt Damon, he's like, I'm really not a good actor.
Speaking of sucking the turd, 37.50. Yeah, bottom. Joey, what do you think about, and segue here, the 2 hour 6312? Talk to us about that, please, sir.
What can I say?
Yeah, whatever you want. Or if there's nothing to say, perfect. What I'm looking at is how to the 2 hour holds overnight low, and then I go to the 4 hour. Okay, and this is just my observation. I'm just kind of chatting with you. You guys are hearing how Joey and I kind of chat about this stuff, and the rest of us chat about this. So then I go to the 4 hour, and I got some confluence, Joey. I've got a high to high old Smackertino in the snake bite just underneath your new CS, roughly 6370. Or does it go straight down to the next one? I don't know. See, this is the thing: is 6361 failed on the 4 hour.
Yeah, but the snake wasn't formed then.
Joey, here's your X, buddy. It's coming in hot. So it's going to run time off the clock. That would be 10 a.m., right? Well, okay, so 31 minutes from now, is it going to be at 6339? Let's put a little white line there so we can mark that we are looking at it. Okay, perfect.
Rev, do we as a trading group, do we have any interest in doing a Caribbean Caribbean weekend and having a tax write-off?
See.
See,
I'm
senior?
down for that.
Yeah,
You said you don't.
I think it needs to be done. Here's what I think we should do. I
G-Man
think.
could
Go
his
ahead.
Gulf Stream McDonald's.
Golf would make. Zach, have you heard about the Gucci tacos yet, bro?
No.
We around here we eat Gucci tacos. Did you know that? Straight up. We
Straight
don't.
out of Oregon.
Yeah,
Awesome.
yeah. They have inland shrimp in them.
You said McDonald's, Zach?
Gulf
Yeah, did
Stream.
you on the Gulf Stream with McDonald's?
Yes. Yes.
Let's go. Lord. Okay, Lower Keltner can't do anything, folks. We already ran out of clock, ran out of runway here. 5 minute CS holds. The bet we're just sideways action. There's no news today, folks. None. 9. Yet. So the levels, so the levels could look like. Just gonna pick one that I think is very interesting.
We got the YouTube feed open if anybody wants to.
Yeah, let's keep them busy. That's great. That's a great idea. Ask Zach. Yep. Go ahead and ask Zach questions because we don't. Here's the deal. We don't. Oh, look, it's going down. Red candles sell. It's like no. Slow down there, Buckaroo. How do you like that exit, boys? Wah, wah, wah. How did he know to get?
You said it's sell. I didn't even look. That was a no hands trade.
Yeah, well, in process, correct. Out of process, don't you touch it. Don't you touch it. All right, Mancini 33, 41, 52, 61. Why did my
Here's 1 minute. 1 minute ago.
What's that?
New Mancini.
Thank you. Oh, Joey, the market's open.
Found that out the hard way.
Buddy, when you get to the desk right before the market opens, do you know what happens? Sir, let me ask you that. Dip 33 equals weak. Okay. Thank you, Mancini. Last evening, we got the setup I was waiting for all day in the ES, a failed breakdown. As per the 4 p.m. newsletter, flush reclaim of 63.15 daily low was long. We ran to the full 63.60 back test. Wow, what a trade. As posted at 8 a.m., 63.33 is the magnet. It held twice and popped to 42 first target. 52.61 bonus. Under 33 is weak. Oh, look at that tail. Oh, boy. Okay. Let's get busy, people. They bought it. Ooh, Snaky on the 32nd said thank you.
Hey guys, good morning.
Yo, good morning to you, buddy.
I'm long 31.50.
That's a good price. And what is the criteria for that entry, good sir?
The huge, you just grabbed the yesterday's liquidity grab last night, 63.13.25. You throw a fib all the way to 63.58.25, which was last night's low. And as soon as it tested the 61.8 Fibonacci and it bounced, I'm in. I don't care what happens after.
Good. See, now, folks, that is an answer to when someone asks you a question about your trade. Thank you. Zach, you have a question from Davey Day Trader.
Yep.
Let's go, Tommy P.
I wasn't at McDonald's, Zach. I was in Double D's grabbing me iced coffee.
The wings plowing the microphone over.
I ain't got
Hello?
nothing until 6. I ain't got nothing until 33, so I wasn't gonna just sit there. I needed my coffee. My leg was already plot. So
30 seconds holding the shorts up.
I just took the long last night after after market, after we flushed the 15.
No aftermarket trade for me.
Thank you. I have the same policy because I've gotten like completely destroyed like that, but it was tempting.
Siren song.
Ryan's good at it.
His algorithm does it.
Right. He just watches
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, he
Because
turns it on at night, and it works really well. Ryan, you turn it on at
Right.
6 p.m., right? Yeah.
No, but that was the trade though, fellas. If you look at it, that 1550 swept and reclaimed yesterday's low was perfect. That went up like what 40 points after that. That was a perfect
40
trade
plus
though.
points, yeah. Literally, Mancini says the obvious step here is failed breakdown of today's daily low, which was 15. Bonus if it goes to 63.11, and it went to 63.13, and then it bounced. Reclaimed, long. Easy.
Guys, the GOAT.
It's just annoying that it happened at that time.
Yeah. They've been doing a lot of movement off hours. That way, it captures people off guard, and they don't have to worry about certain algorithms. Is kind of the way that I see it. Like I'm not looking at it, so that doesn't mean I'm the market. I'm just saying, like, if I'm not looking at it, other people aren't looking at it. Other people don't have their algos on it or whatever.
Yeah, totally. I think I'm gonna get out of this break even. I'm not gonna. Here it comes for me. I'm out.
Perfect.
See what happens.
And
Any sell,
go ahead.
any flush above 6280 is super healthy. So if we're selling all the way down to 6280, don't be scared. It's healthy pullback.
Yeah, it'll give them a chance to get something on the books. Yep. Where's the bluff?
All right. You can run without me.
Let it do whatever. It'll tell us when to trade.
Yeah.
It wasn't supposed to retrace that tail, so now kind of bearish. So we'll see if it recovers or not. 30-second 30-second snake mouth above us there. Oh. Sell signal on the 2-minute lower Keltner. What?
$33 week means sell it. But I don't sell to open, so I'll be watching.
Did I wait too long? Did I wait too long? I did. 28.50 target. Next. I waited way too long. 28.50 target.
33 gives you 11. Then after that, round number.
Oh, Lord of mercy. Lord of mercy. Sweet baby in the manger. Come on. There's 28.50. I screwed the pooch there. There's 5 points. Itchy. Anyone take it? I hesitated, and that's my fault. I own it. That's the second time I've hesitated today. So that's costed me about $550 per contract. Yeah. Oh yeah. It was right on lower Keltner.
Next is right. Let's just wait for the next.
You see how good it was to exit that long cam?
Hell yeah. I'll be sweating right now.
Yeah, because
Yeah, no,
your 2 minute kiss chart says no, fresh position 1.
yeah. Oh yeah. Holy smokes. You're right.
I don't mean to be right. I'm just looking at the chart. The chart is right.
Yeah, yeah. No, I see it though.
That's why I was kind of supposed to be short 33.50 because it's the first kiss down. For me, Cam, I wait till the fractal turns before I look for a long or a fade. So then maybe you enter on yours and then you only add, right? We were talking about ads the other day. You only add when it starts to turn kiss, 8 above the 20, that kind of thing. 8, you know what I mean?
Right. That could be a good idea, just to like.
Yep.
To
And-
just have like some.
And when the
information that
candles,
we're going up.
right? So when the candles start painting, right? Because listen, the candles will not paint on your trade. It's not. It's actually not mathematically possible. You have to wait for the fractal to turn for them to paint in your direction. But that's what I'm saying is look at it on the 1 minute and the 30 second. They paint all the time. Too much for me. That's why I'm still on the 2 minute chart. But look at it after you get your little signal, right? Go down in time frames if you need to, or if you're in a longer term hold, you go to the 2 minute and you wait for it to do that because you're in way before the buyers that I'm looking for are in, if you know what I'm saying. On a good note, right? That's a good thing. I'm not saying that's bad. I think it's badass. That's why you're in the group.
A little risky, but thanks. So, for instance, this reclaim is interesting to me. Yeah.
33 is the reclaim.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. This is. Are we taking any?
And in the 45 minute, there's nothing we can do.
Yeah.
We're in the mouth of the snake.
Yeah. And this was like a really choppy area yesterday at close. It was terribly choppy and just feels like
Back at desk.
wraps all over.
It's healthy.
Let's wait.
Crackhead said lower.
What's his lower?
Crackhead.
NQ, Cam.
Oh.
Clarify, sir. He's in the middle of Boston. It could be a crackhead.
Oh yeah, I'm back at my desk. I got my coffee. I'm chilling.
It could be a crackhead.
I thought you were in McDonald's. They were like, there's a crackhead here.
Dunkin' Donuts.
He's saying it's going lower. My crackhead buddy says, "Wait, bro."
My crackhead buddy says, "Sell it."
Tell it to him.
Yeah.
There's something you don't know about me, Joe Rogan. I smoke rocks.
Oh my gosh.
Man, that was a good short, and I hesitated. I'm going to get 10 more like that today. Let's go. I need, let's see. I need 600 to pass this account. And I am all clear to do it because I am under the 40% threshold. Stops down sprawl.
Let's see what happens at 33. Ooh.
Did they break Cam's ankle?
Probably
No,
again.
it drew. No, it drew
Feel
hard,
better.
boys. Yeah, no, it drew hard. There's no
Yeah.
ankle breaking there. I'm gonna say nice exit because his original stop would have hit too.
It would have. Yeah, I think it would have stopped me out. So
Because it went below 28, Cam.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at this this. Someone got their ankles broke though, gee. 29 close on the 2 minute. Somebody got.
Oh, I'm in. I'm in.
Let's go.
Bink me.
Nice.
Bink him.
I took 33.50. I'm trailing tight. I'm looking
Yeah.
for that 39. Can I get that 39? Stop. Stop. Keep trailing. I'm trailing.
No.
Stop is one tick above my entry. So regardless, I'll pay the commissions.
Get into
Here's
the
them
chop.
test 30, see what it does. Yeah. Oh, you're right.
Yep.
And 30 is a Mancini major, but I think is the magnet too, which means the choppy zone.
Yeah, 33 magnet, 30 major. He has it right on the here. Yeah, he's got it on his newest one.
Yeah, here we go. Like this chop.
Okay,
Next.
One more time. Come on, one more time. It's gone.
What do you see, Joey? 3 minute?
Baby, one more time. Okay, I guess I'm back in again.
It was a nice reaction there on 33, huh?
It's a good one. Yeah, that tail is a little Trappertino for the shorts. Yeah, right on that 32nd, 33G.
Oh, I'm in at 33 exact.
Yeah, on the 32nd red.
I'm in at 34.
First 38, second 42. Feeling tight.
Make some quick profit though. It's getting. Yeah, push. Nope. Yeah.
I am not in anything, if anyone's wondering. I am marinating like some chicken.
Come on, bang my 38.
Hey,
So
right,
we have a
first take.
split decision here. We got ES up 0.18. We got NQ up 0.36, but the Russell's down 0.35 and the YM is down a booger, literally.
Let's go. I'm gonna go for 12 points on this.
There you go. There's 38s.
Sorry.
There's 38s.
Target, filled.
Order filled.
That's the first one. I send you the trade.
Order filled.
All right.
You see
It'll
it,
be
Cam?
what it'll be. I'm going for 12 points. Yeah,
Oh.
that was beautiful. That was good.
Ooh, they just got some. They just got some stops there.
I'm trailing.
Decision. 39 court.
I'm going for fucking 12 because I'm clear until 46, so I'm gonna put my second target there.
Come on, bang my 42. Don't do it. Don't go back.
Keeps calling me.
Who's calling my phone?
Why does my wife keep calling me knowing that I'm streaming? Babe, I'm streaming. Did you know that? Babe.
I'm at work.
Here it comes. 11 minutes, Joey.
Can I get 42, babe?
I want to remind everyone we have an X coming in here.
Oh, come
4
on,
hour.
babe. One tick.
Come on, babe.
41.25. Do it.
Go.
Do it.
Look at your 5 minute. Ooh, look at that. If you get above 43.50 to be exact. Oh, sweet baby mercy. Look at that. Or you have hard resistance at 43.50 on the 5. On the 3 minute. Excuse me, 3 minute. Joey, give me your thoughts on the 3 minute. You can just talk. You're on. You can say something. You don't have to type it. Look at that. Bink.
3 minutes said I took your stop.
43 and a quarter would be the breakout on that.
Yeah. Or the fake out. Because they do keep probing that thing lower, right? So, well, I like it.
I was coming back on me.
Annoying.
Still break even
This,
in
this
30.
is the 38. Annoying. All right.
You
Another
guys,
one.
hey, you
Yeah.
guys do all the hard work. You guys do all the hard work. Joey and I are going to kick back.
I know, right?
Wait for you guys to stop playing grab ass. I'm kidding, guys.
Annoying.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Absolutely kidding. I have nothing to
That
trade
was
here.
level to level Mancini. That was perfect.
33.41.
I'm out. Took 8 points on that one. So good, baby.
Good, baby. Okay, seller at 32 on the tape. Seller at 32 on the tape. Big time.
Oh no,
We knew this was gonna be chopped or whatever.
they selling it, but I'm gonna nibble every bag as I can.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think Zach fell off his chair or fell back asleep. He just sold 1,000 times 32. Okay, 1,100 times 32.
That was Zach.
Order filled. Okay, 32 is the over under now, guys.
He's gonna sell.
Watch 29. Watch 29.
There's going to be too big of a sell bar for me to call a trade though, because it's going to be like an 8-point stop. So if you see it paint, wait for another paint bar before you do anything, and then plan on sweeping the leg of that paint bar if anything. 33.25. You got 51 by 8.
There it is. Watch 29. Watch 29.
Yeah. So see how there's a huge sell bar. It's too big, but there is a sell at 29. I am not taking a sell here. No.
And why not? Crackhead said.
Because the real answer, because my stop is 38 or so that would be 9 points or 47. 38 or 47. That's the real answer, G.
I think it's all out of whack.
All out of whack. There's nothing to do here, guys. We are marinating like some chicken.
Terrible. I'm gonna make some coffee.
Good idea. Go do something. Touch grass. Here's the deal, traders. If you feel excitement right now, walk away from your desk and come back in 5 minutes. I feel no excitement. I'm literally just sitting here shuffling poker chips. Not taking this short.
If you can't sit a trap, guess what? You don't want to get in the trap.
Where's the bluff? Where's the bluff? If you don't see a bluff, it's either on you or there isn't a trade. Boom stick. Good idea.
Boy.
We could all take a boom stick break.
Take me out.
Did they get him, G-Man?
Take me out, then go to 42. That's their specialty. They do that to me every day.
Rev, this is that exact video you sent yesterday.
Let's go. I hope you all watched it. I sent it to the Discord too. Folks, that's exactly what happens to you day in, day out. You go back and look at every single trade. It's exactly what happens every single time. I promise you.
He comes 42. Okay,
so now we're looking to see if we get some sort of buy signal. Okay.
It's Joey Bank.
But so like Velez says, we want the bar to start from a moving average, right? It's tough up here. We gotta, right?
The stuff was 27.
43. Yeah.
The stuff was 27, but I wasn't giving nothing back. I took one, so I killed the second one. I'd break even at 33.
This is your trade, right, G? Where it comes down, does the pullback?
Mm-hmm. Doesn't take the stop, then rip.
Mm-hmm. I just don't go to a smaller time frame. I see it on the 32nd.
I was in the perfect level, but the stop was 27.
What was your entry? 32.25?
33 even.
Oh, you have it right there on the screen. Will you share that on Market Trader Chatter too? That way people don't think we're full of shit. Okay, so I'm going to send a link, and this is where you can see his actual trade, folks.
Clear 43. Come on, go. There we go. Push it.
42 give you 45, Joey. 45 give you 50.
Yeah, baby.
Damn.
Like dollars, 7 points. Keep going.
I told you, Joey. That was the ankle breaker.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh,
Yo.
Ryan, yo.
gotta get away from that 43, darn it.
Just be careful. All we did was hit 15
Back in
minutes
the
CS
saddle.
red.
Eric Richardson, the fact that it's wide ranging, I think would technically disqualify this as chop. It's range bound. I wouldn't call this chop though.
It was just in the middle of the
I
range.
call
Look at the
15-minute chop.
Yeah, look at the 15 minute. We're right in the middle of a range.
Right.
Oh,
Yeah, what's up?
It's a big range too. It's like 100-point range.
45.
Right. I'm the wide range is tradable. Chop is not.
Look, folks, it's 45
sure.
points. 45 exactly. It's right on the screen. There you go.
No. Oh, no, I agree with you for
Yeah,
sure.
right. So what I'm looking at is the
But I mean,
2 hour
I
holds
have
12.
like a 30-point stop. So for me, this is like chopping around mid range.
30-point stop. Look at this guy.
Right.
12 held on the look.
Agreed.
Here's the way that I see this.
Well, we're all saying the same thing.
Guys, look, 12 held on the 2 hour.
Yeah, I don't want to violate anybody's trading rules. I'm just saying that if you see a very firm channel, there's nothing wrong with short in the top and long in the bottom and just having a very narrow stop. At least that's the way I play it.
We're all saying the same thing.
Right. That's right.
Yes.
I had to mute the YouTube stream because it was like overlapping everything. It was messing up.
Yeah, you can just keep it live and just mute it.
Right.
Okay, tape
yeah.
is 32.
Eric, NQ is one of my major indicators. I don't view it as a market. I view it as an indicator.
Snaky on the 32nd said, "Come on home, Poppy." Aye.
Well,
Come on down.
I'm just fluctuating around break even right now on this overnight long. I got 2 off on that last pop though, so that was nice. Didn't see that.
There is nothing to trade here. Okay. Middle of range. MOR.
Diddle in the middle, your account gets little.
If you diddle in the middle, your account get a little. Hit on iTunes today with a total of 0 plays. Ryan, do you see my 2-minute chart? You see how smooth that is?
Yeah.
To where you don't have to.
I spent
you know what I mean?
I spent yesterday after our call removing all the stuff off my charts.
Okay, because think about it. You know where the moving averages are just by looking at the paint.
I mean, the reality is I shouldn't be looking at anything. I should just be letting it go.
Good.
Less on the screen is less likely for me to try to make a decision, an executive decision.
I like that.
But no, I have Joey stuff up on some of the things so I can keep an eye on that. And
Yeah, you just want it on a different chart. You know what I mean? Go ahead, G-Man.
Snake, 30 seconds.
It just keeps printing. I'm just spending all my time making yellow lines over there, G. Look at your 15-minute CS. It's hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times now.
They're loving that 33. Loving it. Are they accumulating to distribute or accumulating to push higher?
That 33 on the 2 minute.
Loving it.
Momentum is down. We're at VWAP. Where's our VPOC, G? It's
37.50.
so cluttered I can't see it.
37.50.
It's 50. It's 50. I can't.
Do we have the same price today, boss? Or no?
Let's
Or your
see.
price
Let's
is
see.
different
Let's see.
today?
Don't start. Let's see. I blame Ninja Trader. All right.
It's China.
It's China. I think we have 37.50 today. I got 37. Yep. 37.
Let's go. Let's go.
I wonder if I just have some sort of different data something. I don't know. Oh, they bought the 33s again.
I bought it too, man. I went 34.50 long.
Yeah.
Look at it, Rev. Look at your 37.
Beautiful.
Dead in the middle of the range. So we don't know, is it going up or is it going down?
Yes.
From here.
Yes.
I like up because the low is still intact. So.
Is it going up or down? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Bro.
Well, I got one chart. One chart's at 13-minute lag, and then the other one's at 5-second lag. So, like, I can see the price correctly, but the one that has the algorithm on it is 13 minutes behind.
5
so I have
second
to wait for it
lag.
to fill.
5 second lag. No, you don't see it correctly.
No, 5 seconds for good for me, man. It's horseshoes hand grenades on the 15-minute. It's got to get close. I'm not counting each tick. But this 13-minute lag, it's kind of funny because it's like one chart's like nice, and then the other one's like nope, it's down there, up, and then the opposite.
Crack is
I
saying
have to just
hi.
reset the computer. It just I got too much stuff running on it, and it slowed down, and now it's behind. And the syncing the clock for some reason doesn't work. Like I don't know, I've got to contact Ninja or something.
You have to
it's screwed up.
undo the data connections first.
Hey Siri, play Creed.
Oh, and then do the sync. I can't do that until it's
this
filled,
time I'm gonna get my target.
I got one more off. I only got 7 left now
Bake me.
on that pop.
That was a nice push.
All right, next is at 47.
46.
Come on, give me 47.
Yeah. Yep. Let's
Give me
go.
47.
I need 12 points.
And then I think that's
12 points to be
that'll
done
it.
with
I'll
this
be
shit.
trailing.
We're near 47.
Come on, give me
Come on.
60 and I'll be done.
I want to go. I want to go live my life. Give me my 12 points.
Yeah.
Cam wants to go live his life.
Deadlifts.
Cam.
What's up?
2.0.
Yo. 2.0, baby. I just want to get paid and I'm out. You know. I was looking for I was looking for places to add, but this is a little too volatile to add. So I'm like, okay, fine. I'm just gonna get paid with my regular entry.
With the
45.
45.
Keep going.
45,
Come on.
50.
Copy, huh?
Go again, G. So I can cut you off one more time.
So, did you guys see that 44.75 high before it retraced again, right? Like at 9:56. Okay, that was my buy signal. So, once that happened, which is a new high, I threw another fib and it gave me 34 on the dot, 61%, 61.8%.
Okay, I see. I
That
see
was-
that one because it gave you a
And
two-step
then
higher,
bam.
high, higher, low. Okay, I see it. Yeah,
Exactly. I got a new high. That's my buy signal. I wait for the retracement. Boom. No questions
now,
asked.
on the 15-minute, 44 is major. Major.
45, 50.
Let's go. Let's go.
Shit, 40. I missed the 42.50 buy signal.
Oh.
Oh no. I was looking at a different. I was looking at a different chart. Oh no.
Come on, pop it. 47. 47, all my trails go in, and I'm locked in.
47.
Just let it
47,
run.
Ryan. I see you. I see a 47.
48 is
47,
one
let's do
R. 48 is one
go.
R.
I got 47.75 is my target to lock in all my trails. Come on.
Bit me.
And that was set like an hour ago.
54
on.
next, guys.
Come
Let's
on,
go to
2 more ticks.
54. Come
Boom.
on.
Hold on. Watch
Well,
this. Hold on.
Okay,
Hold on.
trails are in, baby. Let's
Slow
go.
down. Slow down. Zach, are you excited that you're hitting targets, or is it business as usual?
Whatever.
Zach's like,
Zach's
yeah,
way
another
better than all of
20,000.
us.
flow state normal.
47 gives you 58.
2.0.
Not excited. Feeling grateful.
Canceling the bid. No fill.
I like that. I like that call.
48 was the target for me.
All right, I gotta reset the computer, guys. I just feel I covered.
Cool.
So I can reset this thing. I'll be back in a little bit.
Word up.
Anybody want a little dash of psychology here?
Let's do it, Zach.
Let's go.
Would you be
50-50.
would you be just as satisfied if this didn't complete and you hit your stop?
Thank
Yes.
you.
See how happy everybody feels?
See how small and quick and quiet it got? Oh.
That enthusiasm, yeah, I understand, because it's it inspires confidence, and it reinforces, all of your hard work. But remember, you're not responsible straight after you enter it. You're only responsible for the management of the money at that point. Protect
Right.
Protect capital. But all the conditions that got you there wisely could reverse. And that's fine. That's the game we play.
It's the third one I've missed today. Let's go.
I was resetting the algo computer, not the one that was looking.
Those of you in chat, let's see it. I was looking at a different chart, but your entry is 4250. First target 1R is 48.
So I like what Zach is saying, because at the end, like, I know that this excitement that I feel when I get paid is like straight up greed, in a way. And in that excitement, that very same excitement transforms into anger when I don't get paid, when I give money back to the market, right? So you got to look at it both ways.
Here's a better question. You deserve to be excited, but at what phase of the trade should you be excited?
Right.
No, which phase? The entry, right?
The entry, the entry, yeah.
On a proper entry is where you should be excited, and that excitement shouldn't end based upon the result, because you're either taking a proper trade or an improper. And if you're taking an improper trade, you need to scale down your contracts and take a walk.
I'm just excited because I put a lot of fucking time into automating all this, and watch it just do it while I sit here and pick my ass. Is freaking awesome.
Right, but if it went, but when a guy transitions on you, you just don't give up the arm, do you?
No, I'm with you.
He just went
That's how
language.
He just flipped it on me.
Now you know, right?
Well,
because
now you know.
I mean, this metaphor, like if a guy makes a positive move on you, then okay, then you just reformulate.
Right. All right, coming back up. Let's keep this bad boy climbing there.
There's absolutely nothing to trade up here unless you're long from down below.
Ryan, who's that little geeky dude that's always on Rogan that's just a fucking killer?
A geeky dude on Rogan, like one of the jiu-jitsu guys?
Yeah, he's like one of the
guys?
world, supposedly. He's nothing but homemade pizza.
I was like that. You're probably talking about like the Mikey guy or whatever his name is. I can't think of his name now. Yeah. The Mikey something. Yeah, Wiley. He's fucking like, I don't know, maybe 100 pounds.
Yeah, but I get he just mangles people.
4350 pullback level.
Fucking killer. There's some killers down here like that, and there's little skinny guys that just like they'll wreck your day if you're not paying attention.
Right.
That happened. couple times, and I'll weigh someone like 40, 50 pounds, and then they'll just get me.
You also
they'll, like,
practice
wreck me if I'm not
Brazilian
lifting.
Jiu-Jitsu?
Yeah, I'm hoping to get my black belt in November.
In Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, though, right?
He's
Yeah.
in Brazil.
Correct.
Yeah, right.
I'm
That's what I was
in
wondering.
Brazil,
Like, is this the reason why you're in Brazil, or it's just more because
No,
of
no,
the
I
girls?
made it here through.
That,
I was
is
in
that a
living in
serious question,
Argentina
Cam?
for a year.
Hey, look,
I was
I
living
know
in
what the
Colombia.
answer, what I would be the answer for me, but hey.
Yeah, I've lived overseas for almost 10 years now.
Ryan, I didn't hear you. What brought you down there?
I wanted to initially. I got my business started, my logistics company started, and I wanted to just live in a Spanish-speaking country to learn Spanish. So I moved to Argentina, and then I switched to Colombia for a little while, and then for COVID, I came to Brazil and got stuck here till like
Are you on the
October,
run?
from like March, October, and so I've been here. We went back. I met my girlfriend. We went back to Medellin for a year, and then we came back. We've been here about 3 or 4 years now.
Oh, cool.
Also, your girlfriend's Colombian.
Brazilian.
Ah, I see. But you guys lived in Medellin for a little bit.
Joey, 3
Yeah, well,
minute,
because I was living
38.75.
there before
Gotcha.
COVID. I went to Brazil for vacation. And I was living in Medellin
Yeah.
for 5 years or something.
Yeah.
And so I met her when I was here, and then all the borders shut down and everything. So I was just hanging out in Brazil. And then when the borders reopened, we went back. She came back home with me to Medellin.
I'm
We lived there for a year and then came back.
Confirm this for me. I'm starting to hear from everybody like Colombia's the shit. They're just trying to keep it on the DL.
It all depends what you're looking for, I guess, man. But I mean, I enjoyed it. I lived there 5 years.
Yeah, I mean,
I
being
lived there 12 years.
a
It's a good place.
being an ethnocentric American, I of course, the only thing I know about Colombia is fucking cocaine and drug lords.
Right.
But I guess
And,
that's
and,
the whole
and
story.
chiquitas.
Look, you can also find that, but if you don't want that, there's also like another Colombia for you.
No,
Yeah,
but
you just get outside the city, right?
I've
I mean, I
Bam,
ride
are you
motorcycles,
Colombian?
so I go on trips all the time.
I am Colombian. Yeah, I was raised there.
okay, yeah. So that's what that's what I'm asking. I mean, I know some significant North Americans that have moved there. They're like, keep this quiet. It's fucking awesome, but don't be bringing the whole country with you.
Yeah. There's a little bit of that. I think like Medellin now is like full of Americans. Is where the most Americans
is.
will gravitate to.
It was
But it's
getting
still a
really
fun town.
gringo,
I mean,
even when I was
yeah,
there.
although-
It's probably worse now.
yeah. It's full of Americans. But I mean, it is not a bad thing for me at least. It just means that they've made it safe and attractive. Like Medellin used to be
Right.
rough. And yeah, but I mean, my parents live 4 hours south of Medellin in the coffee lands, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. I mean,
It is. Once you get outside the city, it's beautiful, man. It's beautiful. It's green. The
incredible.
sceneries are amazing.
Yeah.
Like I said, I ride
Yeah.
bikes, motorcycles, so we go on trips all the time. Or we were going on trips all the time out there.
Yeah.
All over the
Cycling in
it's
Colombia
amazing.
is incredible.
Motorcycle.
Incredible.
I'm not.
Okay,
I'm not riding that
motorcycle-
shit up the
okay.
mountain like everyone else. But I watch those guys. They're fucking crazy, riding up the fucking mountain all day. It's wild.
It's a good. I mean, I guess for motorcycles works as well. It's beautiful. Yeah. It's good
Yeah.
rides. Good
Yeah,
good rides.
yeah,
Windy
yeah.
roads, which is what you want, right? Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, it's fun. Fun time.
Starlink,
You got to walk.
Starlink and a steak, and I'm there.
Exactly. There you go.
Yeah, I mean the internet's fine. You don't need it, but yeah, internet cellular is all good. Everything's good down there. Fuck, man, why are my charts not reloading?
It's for me, like I'm one of those guys that because I'm from there, I tend to be more critical of my country than
Right.
visitors. You're like, oh, why is this not working? Ah, my God, we're
Right.
so stuck in the past. But it's like, okay, you gotta, it's definitely
Wait,
like.
I mean, what
a
you guys
lot of
have to realize
improvement.
is being born and raised in America, where there's this like sense of like we're like first world awesome, and everybody else is like a mud road, like 3-walled
Right.
thatched hut, and that's what gets reinforced. And then the movies don't help, right? So
Right. Yeah.
And that's a funny thing. There are people
Absolutely.
like, oh, well, how do you live down there? I was like, you live like camping or something? I go, what the fuck are you talking about? I go, we have high-rise buildings and cell phone towers and everything else that you guys have here. I go, the only difference is I can't order on something on Amazon, get it in an hour. It takes like a month.
Right.
Other than that, like
when I-
everything's the same.
when I first moved west to Nevada to Las Vegas, all my friends from New York are like, "So, like, what casino are you living in?" And I'm like, "There's the real city here."
I mean, dude, sometimes people are just so fucking ignorant, man. It's ridiculous.
I think it's all right to be ignorant as long as you know that you are and you want to know more. You know, like asking about Colombia. I've never.
Understand. Yeah, I think being aware of your ignorance is actually a great place. And you're like, look, I know nothing. Teach me. That's pretty awesome.
No, it's the people that know nothing, but will promise you that they do. Those are the ones that are dangerous.
Right. Exactly. Goes back to trading, right?
Yep. I swear there's nothing in the world that's going to shove a mirror right in your face more than trading. You think you're a fucking genius. Well, just hang out for a while. It'll teach you.
Mm-hmm. Your story. Multiple times. But it makes you better. Each time it teaches you, you're like, all right, well, now I've got a new variable to consider.
Well,
That's make decisions.
Bring that up about don't get too high. You know, like because again, after 25 years, it's like I've gone through all that. Like 10 years of getting too high and how it hurt me, and 10 years of getting too low and how it hurt me.
Right.
Balance.
Damn.
I'm just like this week for me, I've just been looking at things the way Zach was speaking. Like, why can I not add on these like really good moves as opposed to just like, oh well, that was my entry. When you have a good move, just go with it. You know, it's like,
Right.
yeah, this is like a bigger thinking.
I mean, I would like to be more. I would like to be more objective about when I think you guys should add, but I mean, it really does come down to your subjective sense of are you bored at your level? Like if you're trading one contract for 3 months and you're just making nothing but proper trades and you're bored, go to two.
Yeah.
It would be no different if you went to a casino and you're a professional blackjack player and you went to the $1 table and you're kicking ass. You turn your $5 into $10, but it's like your technique is solid, your math is solid, but it's too small of a table. Now you got to go to the $5 table.
Yeah, I agree. It's just progress, you know.
And you'll know it, you'll sense it. You'll be very solid at one contract, and then you'll get bored. And you're like, yeah, okay, I'm making 100% on my money every day, but it's too small. I got to go to two. And then if you find yourself overextended, I mean, you will sense when you're trading when you go cowboy and you take an improper trade, then you'll know, okay, I'm trading a little too heavy. Or sometimes when you scale up, your bad habits will resurface. So you got to watch out for those. Know what your negative tendencies are.
Yeah, I noticed that. That's a good one. And that's why you asked me, Cam, before why I don't use minis, is because the way I scale in continuously, I mean, I would be way too over leveraged to run what I'm running. But and I've noticed, like he just said, when you get too many contracts, you start making mistakes again. And I mean, that's why I kind of eliminated myself from making any decisions. And every time I do make a mistake, I code myself out of it to get further and more hands removed. But kind of same thing. One second.
Yeah. It's a process. I think I'm gonna. I know I'll get there. It's just like you don't want to go crazy right now, but I'm starting to feel like, oh, this is a good ad. 36 was a good ad for me. I already have a winning trade in my pocket, and I'm still alive in it. I was like, I could have added there. Felt risky, but look,
Yeah, but Cam, stop focusing on winning and losing. Start focusing on proper versus improper trades.
Correct. You're right.
Because you're better
Still
off.
thinking about PNL, yeah.
Well, yeah, but no, listen, the P&L will take care of itself. You need to focus on proper versus improper. I would rather you take a proper trade that loses than an improper trade that wins. Because an improper trade that wins is going to teach you bad shit. Does that make sense?
But and then that's harder to get out of that.
Well, I mean, harder because all of a sudden you're going to turn into a cowboy and your system starts to unravel.
Yeah.
You know, there's a big difference between seeing the market because you're in a flow state versus seeing the market because you're suffering from FOMO, or you got to hit your daily contracts, but you got somebody coming over at 10 a.m. and you gotta push it quick and hit it early, or something like that. You know what I mean? If you're changing what would normally be proper for some external reason.
Okay. Well, look, for instance, I shouldn't have added there, and that was good. I didn't, and I'm out. I think I'm done for the day.
At B, really only you can answer that. It depends upon whether you're trading proper or not. If you're trading proper, you could go as small as maybe 10 grand and trade a contract and feel pretty comfortable. But if you're buck wild, you're gonna need a wide, some wide equity to play with.
Do you trade you trade very early then? Like you wake up super early in Vegas for this, or you're trading more like the later
No,
hours?
I have a hard time peeling my ass out for the open.
Right. I was gonna say.
No, ideally timeline wise, I should be on the East Coast of somewhere Eastern Standard Time. That would be perfect for me to be ready to go by 9:30. That'd be very comfortable for me. But 6:30 is a real tough time.
Oh yeah. And you can look, you can be up at 6:30, but it's more like and ready and like, completely focused and ready to like watch your charts peacefully.
Yeah, well, yeah.
It's
Like
not.
I equate it to like physical, right? Like I can bench 315 for reps at 1 in the afternoon, but I'd have a hard time doing it at 6 a.m.
Yes, exactly. Like your brain is probably not full, like unless you're like a super morning person, but yeah, that's different.
Unless you're sucking down a bunch of caffeine, nicotine, and fucking boom boom sticks like I do. I'm not joking. I do everything I can to get my eyes open. Rev will tell you, there's been times where I've had a 500 contract trade on and fucking fallen asleep. Not good.
You're comfortable. Whatever.
Well, that goes back to the boredom thing, right? I mean, just keep scaling up as long as you're not hyper stimulated, or just you got that bored flow.
Workflow.
They say the best word for flow is grateful. If you can be grateful of your system, grateful of your trades, but you don't want to. You see how grateful can be a nice warm neutral, but not enthusiasm or not fear, right? Not too high, not too low, just nice and grateful, right on the midline.
Can I have a perfect balance?
Well, that's the thing. I mean, and that's why I kind of try to relate it to jujitsu form. I mean, if you go into a match too high or too low, that's where you run into trouble. You gotta just rely on your skills and just go in fucking chill. I mean, what Bruce Lee say? Like, be water, right?
Right.
Look at what the markets give you and flow with it. I mean, I know it sounds oversimplistic, but I mean, it's really a decent way to think. If the market's going up, you're going to buy it. If the market's going down, you're going to sell it. It's now we can measure beyond that, but I mean, at the end of the day, it really does fall down. It really, we're just trying to solve two questions, right? Up or down, and how far, and let's take a small piece of it. That's it. And if you can do that repetitively, 3, 4, 500 times, you'll get bored, and then you'll scale up. But you gotta shake the what I would call the gambler's enthusiasm out of your bones. You got to get out. You're just a mechanic. Proper trade, proper trade, proper trade, proper trade, proper trade. If you can never make an improper trade for the rest of your life, you're going to be very wealthy.
I like that. Well said.
And that's where the enthusiasm should lie. Is like if I called you at the end of the trading day and said, "How many trades did you make?" You're like, "Well, I made 6." I'm like, "How many of them were improper?" And you tell me, "None." I'm cool, bro. I'll buy you a beer. I didn't ask about your P&L at all. I just asked, did you take nothing but proper trades?
Mm.
That's where your enthusiasm should be, not on the P&L. The P&L takes care of itself. Think of it this way: anytime you're like playing a game, like in a tournament or something, and you win the tournament, the joy was in the competition. And it's nice to get recognized with a trophy at the end, but you're not doing it for the trophy. You're doing it for the experience. So the enthusiasm's upstream. It's in the proper trade. It's not in the outcome. Because once you're in the trade, you're not responsible for it P and or Ling. At that point, you just got to manage the trade properly. And I know it's a tough psychology too, because we've been programmed since we were babies that losing money is bad. But if you can't shake that, you can't trade.
Nice. I like that.
So if you're going to go get a tattoo on your forearm and it has to say something, say, "I only take proper trades." We should do that. Let's go get forearm tattoos that says proper.
Face tattoos.
Got to put somewhere we can see. So maybe next to your watch or something. Good idea. I'm going to go do that. I have a tattoo on my right wrist that says determination, technique, and attitude.
Okay. Is that related to trading or just
Life.
general in life? Life, yeah. Yeah.
Because you can be wealthy and really have a shit life, right?
Right. A lot of volume down here.
We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this again. We're gonna reclaim 33 again. What a freaking whatever.
He bought 27, 28. So that was a good look.
Bro, I'm getting a friend request on Discord from Sage FT, the SAG FTT. Right. people do that?
Yeah, I wish I could be a 6 a.m. person because I've got a lot of family. I mean, the only reason I'm in Vegas, I'm not a Vegas guy, but I have a lot of family here.
Yeah. I mean, look, New York, right? I wake up at 5 in the morning here in the summer, any day, because it's beautiful, because the sun's up, because it's like gorgeous. But you tell me in the middle of February to get up at 5, away. It's horrendous. It's miserably cold. It's dark. Like I stay in bed. I just can't do it.
But if you think about all your brain hormones that are connected to your optic nerve, it's completely unnatural for your alarm to go off, for it to be pitch black out, and for you to say, "All right, let's attack the day." It's
That's
it's
what productivity gurus will tell you.
it's completely unnatural.
Yeah.
Have you guys ever heard of sun gazing? You know what that is at all?
No.
There's some guys out there where they'll stare at the sun as it rises because you don't have any the rays of the sun, the UV rays of the sun that would burn your eyes. They're not available to you when you first get sunrise. And these guys, from like a biophysical standpoint or a biospiritual standpoint, swear that it has all these super physiological effects to like the first 5 to 10 minutes of a sunrise, just to stare right at it. You would think they would like hurt your eyes, but it doesn't. It actually helps your eyes.
As long as that 30-second
your
chart
eyes.
keeps doing that, I'm not messing with it.
Did you get the Amazon package?
Oh,
Did you get the Amazon package? That was just
I love it. Yvonne, did you know there's about 200 people listening to you?
that's
That's pretty awesome.
yeah. What are we talking about here?
That's the privilege of working from home.
Hey, okay, so now we expanded to the lower side, right? So are we just? What does the market profile look like? Oh, perfectly bell-shaped.
Yeah.
Somebody just disconnect. What was that? Perfectly bell-shaped. So normally G-Man would say, well, what we're looking for is the bottom side of value. Well, where's that? Oh, we just touched that at 28.
Oh, you walked away. I was just telling Kim they bought it, the 28 and 27, right, Kim?
Yeah.
Elijah, what do you feel like the benefits of that are? Like, what are the benefits you experience?
Not staring right at it, but facing it, right? That's what you guys are talking about? You're supposed to.
Right, yeah, you stare right at the goddamn sun as soon as but it's got to be on the horizon. You don't wait till 5. You don't wait till noon and stare at that.
You don't?
Rob's gonna burn a hole right through his fucking eye hole.
That's why I can't see. Oh.
Follow Zach's advice.
I used to do it going fishing all the time. Because you're riding across the ocean right directly at it. You can stare right at it.
Right.
But it's being filtered too by police and
yeah.
everything else.
Yeah, gold miner, this is not medical advice. Do not do that.
I don't like this white bar, folks. I don't like it. I don't like any part of it.
I wonder if there's anybody on this feed that would do exactly anything you tell them to do.
I bet you can get somebody to change their blinker fluid.
Zach, how do you get prepared for the market every morning? Oh, I drink my own piss.
I just stare at the sun, wide-eyed.
Wide-eyed, yeah. It's good for the charts. You see clearly.
Close to by drinking Uranus.
Oh no.
Go write that book.
30-second chart says you're going to get smoked if you do anything.
I want to see if that 28 buy make it to 37, and failure of doing so is gonna get smoked.
Yeah, they need to hit 36 for me.
Mm-hmm. He bought it again at 33. Yep, you see that? He said market.
33 is your 45-minute yellow line.
Yeah, Elijah, I would give it a shot, but I'm on the wrong side of a mountain. By the time I see the physical sun, it's like 10 in the afternoon.
Negative minus.
Here we
Let's
go. Here we go.
38 distraction.
Does he get out here?
VWAP 36.75.
The Joey chart in 1 hour was crazy.
I
There.
balked on that 28 though. I was gonna write the buyer, but to 37, but it's just too fishy down here.
Joey, look at my 15-minute chart.
37.42. Can we push?
Here comes the Joey X 39.25 around 1 p.m.
37.42. He likes it. There you go.
Ooh. Wow.
There's 40.
Yes.
Can we push? Can we push? Yep, there we go. 41.50. One more. One more. There you go. 42.50. Bunk. All right. 42 gives you
Nope.
42 gives you 47.
Now we know the range.
Can we push? You got a nice little imbalance right here at 43.
Think of all the people that try to sell underneath 27. Oops.
Oh yeah. They got no loop.
And we thank them for it. Thank you.
I mean, I said it loud and clear. I said 28 buyer.
Not medical advice. Don't drink your own juice.
All jokes aside, I know two guys that do.
I thought it was good protein.
They claim that they're trying to get their electrolytes that they're dumping through their kidneys, but I'd rather just fucking eat some salt.
They can have them. Keep those electrolytes.
I'd rather have half a Pedialyte than drink my pee.
I can hear the reviews now. Well, if you like not medical advice and guys talking about drinking pee, in between pretty good trades, visit Sage FT.
You want to know the God's honest truth, Rev? I think people would respect authenticity over just this fake bullshit that's out there.
Oh yeah, no, they're seeing real trading. I mean, it doesn't get any more real.
Yeah, I mean, I guess if you're on the trading floor at Goldman Sachs, but even then, you look at people's cubicles, and one guy's got a Rubik's cube, another guy's listing
What people want is hold on. Here's what people want, Zach, on YouTube. Okay, they want what they think trading is, action. Okay, but what we know is action doesn't create profit. Action is not positive expected value. That's what we know, and so that's the hard part about trading on YouTube is, flipping penny stocks and making 300%. What people don't realize is we hit at least 100% profit on every single trade. People don't see it.
Right.
So we hit 100, 200, 300, 500%, but we can't put like on YouTube, I hit 1300% because you got 13R. You got 13R, right? And so when people ask, the other day, this guy asks me, what's your best move? What's your best whatever? And I told him it's producing income every single day. Well, yeah, but what's your best day? And I go, that's relative. It doesn't have anything to do with anything. Yeah. He did not like that answer. And I realized, so once I realized that he didn't like that answer, I realized that's the real answer.
Oh no, I mean we all know people that have like $20,000 accounts, real money accounts, and they're making 10 grand a month, and that's their lifestyle.
How they live. That's what they do. That's a regular business income.
So when somebody from the traditional world says, "Oh, I'm well diversified in a mutual fund and bonds," how well do you do every year? And you're like, well, I make about 1,200%.
Yeah, the percentages, you can't relate the percentages. It's
Right.
not how this works. It's monthly, weekly, daily income.
Right.
The percentages are out of this world.
Yeah, they're like, "Oh, that's bullshit. That's too good to be true." And it's like, no, it's a different animal. You don't understand.
Yeah, and I ain't trying to explain it to you. So study up. Nice sweep. If anyone got under 27, great freaking job, man. It's clean as hell. We're narrow range. We're in a 45-point range. You get in underneath it. The risk is low.
Here comes your 47s.
That was the nice part of that long. Yeah. Low
You like that?
risk.
You like that?
Sure.
I mean, look at the
I was just
45-minute
not
Joey
looking at it
chart.
anymore.
It doesn't. I
Take
mean,
me.
look at it.
Me?
It's clean.
47s. There you go. Cleared.
Well, that's the nice thing about this lifestyle. You can reverse engineer what you want. I mean, if you want to make $500,000 a day, you can do that. If you want to make $1,000 a day, you can do that too.
Welcome,
it
Game T.
all depends on what your goals are.
Yeah, everybody says, "Oh, I bet you make a lot of money." It's like I make as much or as little as I want. Yeah, but what do you mean? It's like I can increase the contract size if I want to, or I can decrease the contract size if I want to. Oh, wouldn't you want to make more? Well, I mean, theoretically, yeah, but that's not how it works.
I remember when there was a tax bill that was going to raise my effective tax rate by like another 5%, and my wife came in bitching like, "Oh, you see what the Democrats are doing?" And I'm like, I don't know, scale up a little. We'll you know, that's all.
We'll make up for it.
Yeah, I'll trade a little larger. No big deal.
42.50 first seller.
47 got to confirm for the 52.
It has to hit 47 before it goes to 52.
No, we already did. Now,
Thanks, Lou.
yes, but we already got the 47. I'm saying 47 needs to confirm. Not hit it.
Thanks, Lou. Yes, I know what you're saying. I'm just kidding. Now they won't forget that I made fun of it, and they'll be like, "What the hell is this guy talking about?" Well, they're going to find out. Either it confirms or it doesn't.
All right, they're gonna find out. All right.
Either it does or it doesn't, right? We don't know.
It's gonna go up or down.
Here's the deal. Once, listen, and I'm listening to something really good. It's like a summary of Trader Dante or whatever on YouTube. It's, whatever. And he keeps talking about, like, once you stop trying to project or guess what the market's going to do, everything gets really easy. Like, what do you think it's going to do? I don't know. What's it doing now? That's what I want to know. If I can figure out what it's doing now, I don't have to worry about what it's doing in the future.
Yeah, more like if it does this, I'm gonna do this. If it does that, I'm gonna
Correct. One before the other. Yep. Nick is number one today in the chat. Let's go. If you're new, my name is Revan Wood. The other guys you're hearing, we got Cam, Joey, G-Man, and Zach on the mic with us. Seasoned traders or traders that have learned the basics, fundamentals of what needs to be done. Oh, I might nibble out this. Be a little late, but I can sweep the leg.
Was that your confirmation?
I'd like to see a sweep of 150 and then push.
No, I'm talking about your pink French fry.
I like my pink French fry.
Let's go.
Yep. So then if you're long, you just hold to 50.
You see what he did at 43? He said, I'll take those.
Go on, I'm listening.
Just watch out if they don't hit 52.
All right.
I will be out by 52.
They did it. Thank you at 45. So we'll see.
Again, not medical advice.
Here we go.
We don't know nothing. 45 minutes says if you go below 44.25, be careful. And you have to get through 49.25 because we are really running, Joey. The way that I see this is we're running from red, which is 36. That's how I'm viewing this, sir. Look at the sword on your 45-minute chart, Joey. Wow. Sorry, shorts.
You saw that MIT? There we go. It said thank you.
Let's go.
Let's go. Smacking them 50. Don't blink. There you go.
What's that target? 65? Yes.
It stops
58.
up.
There's your line in the sand.
Cancel the ad. Stops up.
I like your pink French fry.
I like my pink French fry.
I'm going for 61.
Let's go, Joey.
They didn't hear me, Rev, when I said, was that your confirmation?
Oh, they heard it. It has to push though because we just hit 49.25 to the tick, which is the 45-minute.
You gotta push 52 like right now.
Back on up.
I'll take that. Let me in.
I have 54.
On the
That's a good
30-second
target.
on the 30-second chart, you got to watch 46.75. Okay, stopped at 46 because I don't want it below 46.75 on the 30-second chart.
44.75 stop.
I can always re-enter. I have a 46 stop just because I'm going to be a turd. Because we're way up here. Out.
Snake below.
Yep. Out.
I said 30-second snake, Joe.
Out with slippage, so be careful. There's sellers lurking. Now, could it go straight to 50? Sure. It'll be without me.
It's also top of the range, right? Like
See?
This is the range they're showing us.
See, and where's the bluff? Because we're below, the 20 is below the 200 on the 2-minute. Tricky. It's tricky.
Tap that 44.75 to the tick.
I like 44.75, but it has to hold. And everybody, if you're wondering what the hell we're talking about, you could see it right on my chart right here. This band is prior noise, right? If we're going noise to signal.
Thank me.
Now it can go to 50 since I'm out.
Let me see 48.75 one more time. I'm gonna see what Prince did.
I would like to see a
300,
sweep.
some
and
at
then
50.
push. Thank you.
48 can fly.
Joey, there's 200 on the ES.
Go on.
Yeah, my dog's on MES.
Yeah.
Show me 48 again.
318.
There we go.
That would equal 31 cars, just so you know.
48.75. Yeah, that might be all she wrote.
Yeah, careful. Your 30 seconds got you all tied up. It really does.
Indecision.
Yes. Earlier CS on the swing, prior swing.
49.25.
Here, I got it all right here if you'd like to see it, sir. If they're dark yellow, it's from today. So everything from the overnight sessions got us all bound up here. Right, so here. Come in. Oh, wait, that's right. I'm in my office. Nobody's going to knock on my door. Forget that I'm attached to my computer. I'm glad I'm not in this trade. And it did get. I had a 1 tick stop +1 tick stop, but it gave me slippage, so that was a minus commissions trade, which is still break even for me. It doesn't matter. I don't like that 30-second chart. Look how it's rolling. Look at that. That is Echo. Sweep. Thanks for the poker chips, Zach. And Jack, I guess. Jack and Zach. Cracker Jack.
No, just me.
Love it. Love it. Love it. My wife ripped that package open to see what the hell was in it before I wake up this morning, it's all torn open.
Have you got through customs?
Yeah. She's like, ooh, maybe there's something for me in here. No.
Oh, how rude. We probably should have put something in there.
Oh, man. She's like, there's something for me. I'll give her a poker chip. Here you go.
A brand new spatula.
A spatula device.
It's hard to put together a proper poker game.
Yeah, continuous one. Yes, it is.
I mean, it's easy to get 10 knuckleheads with $100 to get.
You probably do intimidate them with the house, though.
You got to get everybody with a stressful stack amount, right? So they play properly.
Well, I'm done for the day, so it's been lovely chatting with you. I'm
Word.
gonna get out.
See ya.
Yeah. Thank you guys very much.
Good job, Ken.
Yeah, good job, buddy.
Good job, bud.
Later.
Thank you guys.
So on the screen, on the right is Ninja, and on the left is TradingView. Great question.
Stops at 42. Do it again.
Oh, they might not let him have it. They might not let him have it, boys. 50 target now.
I like it. I like it.
Yeah, that last push on the last candle up to 45.75, that was perfect bluff.
Look at your
Perfect
45.
bluff.
Look at your 45. Look how you bought it.
I bought 45. Let's roll.
And I bought 46.
Let's go. Yeah, 496 by 533 on the 2-minute G.
Big me. 49 first one.
He said, thank you. You front running bastard. Stop up. 4150. Okay, so now you might get your 61s with Joey if you crack straight through 52 on this drive only.
You're looking for 50 next one.
It's going to be tough to get through the 48s though, because it's going to be tough to get through 49.25.
I need that 49.25 to confirm.
And if it goes through, it goes. I mean, think about it, because we're on the 45-minute chart. You've got 56 and 65 if you get through 49. Fuck, I got to go for 54.25 then, don't I? Yeah, I do.
My finals. But they got to go now, like right now.
Yeah, and if here's the deal on the 45-minute chart, if you make it through that 9/4, okay, with a rocket, it goes straight 56. No gap. Joey, what do you got?
Joey got a 30-second snake.
Joey has 2 minutes saying hold on at 50. I know that. Ooh, get him. Push him. I'm going to control risk by my stop here. Stop is 41.50 now. Here's your 50s, boys. Here's your 51s, boys. That's right. Stop up 42.75.
Gotta
I'm right.
crack 52. Hit it.
54.25 final for me.
Stop or breaking. My finals 58.
Let's go.
I'll hit it.
Come on, find some stops. Find some stop. Okay, he's buying it. He's buying it at 51.5. You see him? He's buying them.
MIT.
He's buying them.
There it is. Okay, good.
MIT. Let's
Okay.
go.
Okay, stops up 46.
I'm trailing. Yep. I'm gonna chill 47. 47. I'm not giving this back. Let's go. I'm trailing again. Stop up again.
Okay, 47.
Now choke him.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got to drive now. It's got to drive now. Come on, go.
He took it at 51.50.
Okay, stop to 48.50. I'm going the 30-second chart.
Trailing. I'm trailing up.
Get ready, get ready, get ready. Trail again to 51.25. Okay. Nailed it. Nailed it.
Up. Great job. White and blue, Joey. The men go back quick. I'm trailing.
Yeah.
Top 50.
5 minutes getting snaky.
Real sneaky.
You've got to get white. You got to get white above blue in your 30-second. Then you're clear, boys. 61 if you get it, Joey.
Yes, sir. That's why I'm trailing.
And Joey, on your notes, if you get white above 41 right now, brother, on your 30-second, you can start giggling.
The out should be 56.50 on the 4 hour, I think. At first touch of red, it's coming up. But
yeah, absolutely.
Gotta be greedy.
Look, okay, so now let's review.
For 59.
While you guys are all still long, right? So let's review. Joey, I know you came in a little bit late, but Joey, what we said was the main characteristic of today, and I even have it wrote on my notes for today. It literally says 4-hour snake.
Correct.
Correct. And look at
I
it.
put it in the chat this morning at 8:30 or whenever.
Love it. Love it.
Yep.
Okay. So now, folks, do you see the Matrix? I do. I'm all out, by the way. I only had one.
Run it to control formal. I have one left.
8:54. It's all telegraph. You just got to wait on it.
G-Man, noticed I waited for the tape to tell me 45.75.
I saw that. That was beautiful.
Was that not clean as hell?
Super, super clean.
That way you don't, like, even though my stop, like you could see my stop at 37, I didn't have an entry order at 41.50 because I didn't, like I'm just going to cut it at 41.50. But I don't want it to come down and wick me and then go right back up. So I had a liberal stop. But I did get 2R. Can we explain what the snake is? There will be, I think what we're going to do is we're going to make a video about the snake.
Who's asking? Sprolic?
Yep.
Oh, let's go. I'm at 58. Let's move it. Move the ropes.
It's in a little circle on the left-hand chart.
I'm going to move my stop up again to 51.25.
Sprawl, think about, let's start it like this, right? Let's start it like this. Think about if you were on the 4-hour chart on the left-hand side. Okay, I'm going to zoom out so it'll look like this. Okay. So right here we see that red is going below flat blue. So old losing you and me go, ooh, stay short. Okay, so now watch what happens and tell me if you see the snake.
Tendies in champagne right now. Let's go. Don't stop.
So above us we have a snake mouth. If it goes in it becomes a snake bite, which creates a crime scene. Let's go. Great question. Thank you very much for asking. You can clip that and send, and then we can make a video out of it.
It's 9:53.
It's still good. Look at your 5350. Look at your 5375s. He said a donkey. I can't buy it up here, guys. I can't buy it up here. I can't. No. It could even sell to 51 right here. 51 coming, and then push. Okay, be careful. We're on upper Keltner.
Oh, it just pushed.
Did we expand range? Expando Commando is what we used to call it. Expando Commando.
New Mancini.
60.
61 next, 71 at the S once more. Hold a runner.
I can't do it. I can't. I can sweep a leg.
I'm wondering, was Ref's perfect exit? Was it the ad?
And that's almost the same number, 5450. Yours was
Behind.
4450, I think. It's on upper Keltner, so I can't do it, and we have not expanded range.
Behind what?
Need 1.5 range expansion to be outside.
Yeah. 55 needs to clear like right now. Clear that 55. Clear that 55. Ooh.
Calm down.
Thick.
Calm down.
Too thick, Nick. What's 4 ticks? 4 tick crackheads?
It's printed. No. 4 tick is 1 point yoink.
Yeah, failure to print that 55. Look what they're doing.
Look, 51 coming. Oh. How did he know?
They're gonna zap him at 55. I'm the rope.
Zach's like, all right, I've made enough money. Peace.
Got it clear 54 on a 3-man couch.
Game T, all we do is win, no matter what.
Who's calling my phone? I like that 30-second, Joey.
Let me see. Give me that.
Excuse me.
50-50, 47-50 to 46-75, and 41 on the 30-second.
I don't want to see it below 51.
I like the 3-minute.
See
54. Think, Joey. Good call, buddy. Look at that. It ain't easy being greasy, fam.
Where's that 51?
Oh, I know what it is. I need a squishier mouse pad to get those last ones down there.
Oh, you rats.
I told you 51, Brev. Listen.
No, I want to
listen.
I'm
kidding. Oh my God. That was funny. I said, listen, Brev. I'm so kidding. All right, we'll run the stream for about another half an hour. I have missed 3 perfectly good trades, but you know what's cool? I've made very, very good trades today, and I am up 637 before commissions.
I like it. Good. 51 bounds. Come on, don't play with me.
Yeah, they cleared the 51s. Now my question, G, is now what?
55.
Well, no, we don't. Sir.
The answer is yes.
Your name is not Mrs. Market. That's what I asked. I'm not asking you. Now, do I think it could go to 55? Yes, absolutely. So I want to see what it does. 51 to what? Yes. Yes. They are not
Gotta
adding
get
to the
30 red on
accumulation.
52.
Yeah, the 51's weak now. It's
Yeah.
just, if it goes, it's gonna punch through it. Damn, like 4 times, bro.
54 on Joey's chart. I mean, it says 54 and it stopped at 54. So why would it go any higher?
I'm all out. Nice trade.
Nice trade. Good job, guys. Order stop filled. Good,
Stop
good,
it.
good, good.
And profit.
In profit. Profit filled. All right. So on the 2-minute, does it hold the bottom of this candle? If not, straight down to the old knuckler. I think we've taken all of the money out that we need to take, first of all. I think we've absolutely rushed it.
Oh, great session. Great session.
I get to shuffle some poker chips. I got to break them in. They are square. Oh, I could break them in, no problem.
That was fun.
We'll run the
Fun
stream
and
for
easy.
another 25 minutes. Fun and
I
easy.
need to step on them right here. What?
All right. Zach will be back in 20. So we'll hang out till Zach comes back. Is Apex 1 day pass? Yes. Use the code SAGEFT or click the link provided in the box. 1 day pass. Let's go. YOLO. I do not recommend YOLO, Mr. Tristan P. Please. Tristan, please don't.
Come on. Get that 30 red on that 52 and watch it pop.
Another ankle breaker, Joey.
Or it's toast. Yeah, that's why I didn't put my stop up there.
Now here's the deal. The net is not very strong, guys. Be careful. It's running out of steam here. They would need to find a new buyer, is what I'm saying. Because Joey, your 3-minute 54 versus your 2-minute, whatever that yellow line is right there, right down just yonder. That's it. That's the battle.
Who's on my phone?
And they big barred it up to that 54 too.
Did they get him? Another retrace to 34 is healthy too, so no guessing.
At the high end of the range.
39.
Yeah, there's nothing to trade because we're at the high end of the range, folks. That's what I says. My wife brought me some more comfortable pants. I'm gonna put my comfortable pants on. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna turn the camera off for a minute.
You was trading in your boxes this whole time?
No, sir. I'm at my office, sir. No. I have a rule. I have to get dressed to come
That's
down
Andy
to the
trades
office.
with no pants.
Andy, come on.
Andy trades with no pants.
How do
Watch
I
here,
have...
Jake. Crack 52.
Ankle breaker, Joe. It's all good. I took 3 targets, so it's all good. I'm not tripping. But that would have been a nice runner, though.
Oh, gosh. Don't like that.
Oh, that's what it was. It was 49.25. And I put my stuff right on it like a dum-dum.
Way to go, dum-dum.
I saw it too late. I had my nose on the screen.
Like right now.
Like right now. I had my nose on the screen. That's why I didn't see that 49.25.
Doing the same
He's
thing. I had
cross-eyed.
to back up. I'm like, what the heck? Let's at least get 56.
comes my 55, Joey. These motherfuckers.
Uh-oh.
Broke my ankle at the 49.
That wasn't good.
Do I short now, Joey?
Why not?
Whoop. No way. They let me back in? They're going to give me my 49 back?
That white doesn't hold up, done.
What was it, 60, 50?
Yeah, 50 got a hold. 50.
Okay, go on.
Hit the nitrous button.
Go on. My girl and the baby. Uh-oh, Joey. You ready? Buckle up.
We gotta get over 54.
You know what I did, Joey? You know what I did, Joey?
Hmm. 49.75.
I had to take it back. I I took it back and
Give
I
me a little
added
boom for that.
an extra one. Bick me.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna send you the
Here
trade,
we
Joey.
go.
Bick me.
That little dagger on the white. 30. That was your clue.
Look at this, Joey. I jumped back in. Bick me. Oh, one tick.
Bell.
Here, good.
Target. There you go. Let's go. Next one, 58. I'm trailing this one. You know I had to jump back in, Joey, once you send me that ankle breaker.
That was too funny.
Big seller at
I am
big
going
seller,
stops up
big
on
seller
this
at
one.
54.25.
We need him. Give me the
He just bought them all.
give me the liquid.
Step on him right here.
My wife brought me homemade cookies.
Let's go.
This is a big chance.
55 again. Thick.
Ooh.
Upper break even, Joey, and target 57.60.
Here he comes. 56 and a quarter.
Good spike.
Oh, yeah.
He owns
You
them.
had
Get
56
that
and a
four
quarter?
red, four red. Look, look. Come on, make a snake. Do it.
Oh, that's good. That's a good indication right there. You had 56 and a quarter?
Yeah.
I'm right behind you. 56.50.
No, that's the 4 hour red. 56 and a quarter.
Oh, okay.
On the
So
3
it might
minute, you don't
react
want it
there.
under that. You don't want it under that candle at 53.50. Not one tick. So there's your stops, 53.25.
I mean, I like it. The reason I like it is this can fuel up because of all the stops at 55 plus the breakout traders. So this can go. And the people that's moving their stuff back thinking it's gonna go down. Yeah, right. Keep thinking and hope. Thank me.
Big white line up here.
Big me. Oof, one tick.
61.50, but I don't know where it came from. Oh, 62. That's an outer spread. Okay.
You're gonna move your stuff back? I'll take it.
Move it one tick. Go ahead.
Target Phil.
There it is.
Thank you for that 56.50, Joey.
Good job, boys.
It just painted it.
I like it. Finals at Mancini 60. Stop up +5. So free. This one's for free.
Stop way up.
Okay, 56.50 tape, 900 times.
That was
On
clean.
target 71, 69.
Load
69.
boom boom stick.
Ah,
Let's go.
told him pre-market G, man. 4 hour snake. We told him.
Yes, sir.
And look what happened.
All these are on VOD. You can rewind all the way back to the beginning. All I was talking about was the snake on the 4-hour chart.
100%.
Great job, Nick. Nick is killing it.
There it is.
Yes.
Oh, you see that MIT at 56, Rev? 56.50. He's cooking it right now.
Bring it.
This might be my last trade for this is my last trade for the day. Give me 60 and I'm all fat and juicy. Thank you. I'm trailing up. But Mancini said, don't give back 10 points because you missed 1 point. Don't be a dick. I would a tick.
Won't be a dick for a tick.
I hate to put my stop above red, but
My stop's at 55 now, Joey.
Either it's going to probe right now or it's not, Joey.
I'm staying under that bar at 53.50.
53.50. I see it.
On the 3 minute.
30.
I'm gonna take 59.50 just because I know that 60B. They be playing games. They tick or 2 ticks.
60.75 is on the 5 minute. If it doesn't hit that, hang on. Yeah, I'm gonna give it some space.
58.50 was final, but sometimes they give you a little bonus. A point or two extra, so that's what I'm watching.
59 and a quarter on the 2 minute. Yeah.
I'm taking 59 and a half.
And
Better hit that.
56.25 on the 45-minute, Joey.
I need more monitors.
That's my son in the background.
You'll make more money with more monitors. No, you won't.
And 65 on the 45. I'm
2-minute
just
target's
gonna let it
perfect.
run.
Come on, bank me.
You got 78 if you get through the 2-minute 59s, 60s, whatever that is.
Oh, they calling the top. Good. Bring the fuel. Bank me.
You place the short, G. Yeah.
Yeah. Bank me.
Filled.
Target filled. I'm out. Thank you. 59.50, Joey. I front win that 60.
That was my target, 59.50.
All out.
I
That
got
was good.
69 now.
That was fun.
I'm in my
T.
runner phase.
Game T. That's a great question. We have all of those answers for you. SageFT.com. And we have all of these videos are on demand, so you can go back and start watching them and catch the similarities. All right,
Dude, that
folks.
was nice.
That was sick. We're gonna end it on a high note here. Somebody's buying us all the way
Good
up.
job.
We're gonna end it. We're gonna thanks everybody. Discord guys, we're gonna keep going. Ladies and gentlemen, we got a free Discord. Discord.gg/SageFT. We'll see you over there later.
Game, keep coming back.
Let's go.